Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have ADA Cardano daily update. We are going to see some very important things, so stay tuned. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits, guys. Only 50 people can join in, unfortunately, because I don't have the time for more, and you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. So eventually join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. We are a community that grows together and we help each other every day. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. So right now we are for Cardano ADA, and you can see on the 4-hour frame that we had a correction like most of the altcoins, like Bitcoin too, and now we want to see whether we can break the previous high, the 1.40, to go to the 1.49 around there, okay, which was our high right here on 4th July. If I just draw my Fibonacci retracement, guys, from the bottom on 20 July to the top on 26, you will notice that the minus 0.236 is exactly at the previous high right here on 4th July. Therefore, you should add it in your Fibonacci retracement. Right now, we have some important support levels in case we fall down: 1.25, 1.21, and of course we have the 1.16 Tether USD for Cardano. The next price target though is the 1.49, our previous high right here, and of course if we can surpass the previous high, then we might be going to 1.55 and 1.58 to 59. You can see that the minus 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. So let's go a little bit for the MACD. You can see the MACD is looking awesome. We had a bearish cross, nothing important right here. We don't want to go all the way down and lose some major support levels right here for the MACD. We want to keep having higher highs actually and higher lows pattern. Okay, we need to form these patterns for the MACD. Now it looks good. We shouldn't worry about anything. Let's go now to the ADA Tether USD, guys, for the risk metrics, and it is a very important chapter right here because we can eventually see whether we can go a little bit upwards or not, okay? And you can see that the stochastic RSI right here, we were in an oversold situation back on 27 July today, and now we want to see whether we can go upwards. For the commodity channel index, we can grow even higher. You can see that we are standing right now at the 69. We are between minus 100 and 100, the top line, and now we stand at on the 69 commodity channel index, right? And therefore we can eventually grow even more. We can have this pattern going on right here, and if we grow eventually from here, then we can go even higher. According to the stochastic RSI, we can grow more, therefore this is good. If we had this commodity channel index but the stochastic RSI was above the 80, then probably, guys, we would be going down, but eventually now we have some room to grow, and the RSI now was above the 70. You can see why we had the correction going on, a very healthy correction, guys, for the altcoins and for Bitcoin, and now we want to see whether we can go above the 70 again for the RSI. When we are inside this purple area right here, we don't have a clear buying opportunity or a clear selling opportunity. What I mean by clear is that we want to minimize the risk, okay? And therefore, if we minimize the risk, then the RSI should be below 30 for the 4-hour frame on the trading view. I am on the 4-hour frame, which means each candle contains 4 hours of price action, okay? So right now, let's go to ADA USDT on the daily frame, and you can see that on a normal market, guys, when we have a normal market, we are having the top line of the Bollinger Bands as a resistance level, and usually when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually go down. Right now we want to see if we can reapproach on the daily frame the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Right now, according to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought situation. According to the RSI, we are not. We can grow even more, and according to the commodity channel index, we can grow even more on the daily frame. You can see that, yes, we can grow even more, okay? So everything can grow even higher right there, and of course the commodity channel index as well. All right, so you can see that we had this top of the line of the Bollinger Bands, and when we were approaching the bottom, we had a buying opportunity on a very bearish market right there. For example, when we had in the previous days, guys, this bearish, extremely bearish market for ADA, we were going along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. The same happens when we are having an impulsive wave. Let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid. In case you have missed it, guys, I trust the SSL hybrid so much because it can give us some good buying opportunities. As for the selling opportunities, when to short out our position, it is not so great, right? Because you can see we had a buying opportunity there, but we had to short our position here. But because eventually the better time to short our position was around this area right here, but according to the SSL hybrid, we had to short our position there. That means we had less profits. Okay, we could even have losses if we had bought around the top and sold around the bottom of this candle right there. So yeah, according to the when to buy the Cardano or any other altcoin, it is good, but according to when to sell, not so good. Okay, so eventually, guys, I will tell you something that I truly like for ADA, and I believe we will soon be seeing ADA Bitcoin chart, ADA actually outperforming Bitcoin. The reason is very simple. It is not on the 4-hour frame, because you can see on the 4-hour frame actually what we have formed is almost bottom tweezers. You can see that the bottom tweezers, we have the same bottom right here, and we might be going upwards. But what I really like is not on the 4-hour frame we are now, because on the 4-hour frame right now we could actually correct even more, because yes, the RSI was below 30, but now we are above the 30, so we could go even further down. For the commodity channel index, the same, we can go even further down, and for the stochastic RSI, the same. What I truly like is the daily frame. The daily frame, guys, we had the daily below 30 for ADA Bitcoin chart. That means, guys, that it is about to outperform Bitcoin. We are ready to outperform Bitcoin. The same happened with the commodity channel index, and the same happened with the stochastic RSI, right? The ADA was below the 20, is below actually the 20 for the stochastic RSI. So therefore, guys, according to this data we have for ADA Bitcoin chart, we can go now to ADA Tether USD. And I mean, guys, that it can save us with many cases. ADA Bitcoin chart, it can save us with many cases. I will just tell you afterwards. Right now, let's see again the support levels: 1.16 to 17, 1.20 to 21, 1.25, 1.4849, the next resistance, which was previously the resistance level right here, and minus 0.5. In between the 1.49 and the 1.59, we have the 1.55 around there, guys, for Cardano. Around this area, we have formed back on 14 April. You can see that around 55 Tether USD for Cardano. Okay, so right there, guys, I truly believe that we might be going upwards again, especially if Bitcoin continues to push upward and to go to the 42,000, 43,200 Tether USD. If this happens, then ADA is about to outperform Bitcoin on the 4-hour frame and therefore on the daily frame again. And I truly believe, guys, that we will be outperforming everything and go even higher than the 1.49 for sure. But ADA Bitcoin chart can save us even if Bitcoin crashes. For example, right here, guys, you can see that ADA Bitcoin is underperforming so much right there. And we are almost ready to outperform Bitcoin. Therefore, if Bitcoin crashes down, let's say that Bitcoin has an extremely bearish moment, ADA might be able to stand against Bitcoin and might be able to hold some important support levels. For example, if Bitcoin crashes down, then ADA can even stay at 1.16, right? It can drop at 1.16, maybe 1.11, but not so low. Maybe even we can reapproach the 1 Tether USD if Bitcoin crashes, if that's the case, but we won't be going down for more. Because right now, guys, you can see the difference between ADA Bitcoin chart. We are having a very nice and clear buying opportunity because we were below the 30. for ADA Bitcoin chart. Okay, so you can see that. And of course, the ADA Bitcoin is about, actually ADA is about to outperform Bitcoin. We had a bearish moment right here where ADA actually, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that the 20-day MA crossed down the 50-day MA. That was a little bit unfortunate, but in overall, guys, we are about to outperform it again. And of course, that's why I am cautiously optimistic. The only thing that can go wrong is if Bitcoin goes down. Otherwise, guys, we are going for sure to the previous high right here formed back on 4th July and even higher, maybe to the 1.59, maybe to the 1.55. We will see about that. This is our next price target for now. Thank you so much for watching. Join our monthly subscription, link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto to get easy profits. Join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.